So new COVID treatment guidelines have come, and this is for children and therefore important. No use of antiviral drug remdesivir in children. Remember, remdesivir was in fact for adults, but it has now been given a refusal for children. Antibiotics use only if secondary bacterial infection. Importantly, the use of steroid, which is being used heavily in adults, but no self-medication of steroids in children. No use definitely in asymptomatic and mild cases, and if at all steroid need to be used, it has to be done by a doctor and only in severe and critical condition. What about CT scans that a lot of adults are resorting to with severe COVID infection? Only limited and rational use of a CT scan has been approved as per new guideline for children. Multi-system inflammation intravenous immunoglobulin steroids, the antibiotics by the Union Health Ministry have been prescribed. So these are new fresh guidelines, very important for children who may be infected by COVID-19. With the second wave now reducing, preparation to battle a possible third wave has also started. A high-level government meeting to review preparedness of health infrastructure will take place today. Senior officials of PMO and MHA are likely to attend high-level review meeting. Agenda of the meeting will be to discuss operational matters, preparation for possible third wave, ensuring oxygen supply, availability of vaccines and other problems faced by ministries and department during the second wave. Let's bring you now some ground reports, because Bengaluru in Karnataka gears up to tackle COVID-19 third wave, which is expected to affect children possibly. Now, the city's civic body is organizing a workshop for 50 doctors where they will be given hands-on training in operating ventilators and other things to treat children. Nagarjun Dwarkanath with this ground report.
Daily COVID infections are at the lowest in 2 months. Test positivity rate is down to less than 5% in over half of India's districts. The worst of the second wave seems to be over, but it is not the time to be complacent. Many cities are getting ready to face a third wave if it happens. This is a workshop organized in Bengaluru by the civic body BBMP. It is training 50 pediatricians for COVID fight, as several experts have warned that the third wave could affect the kids most. The doctors are getting hands-on training in operating ventilators, use of non-invasive ventilation and management of shock in children.
Demo doll is being used, and the doctors also will learn the procedures, how to do it, because remember, the Delta variant is quite serious and third wave would be more difficult to tackle, is what the experts say. And that's the reason why BBMP has swung into action today, training the top 50 pediatricians in their sector so that they can teach the remaining doctors. The government is quite serious about the third wave, which would start in November or December as per the experts. They want to tackle it and be prepared as much as possible. And also the Karnataka government has started 70 to 80 bedded pediatric center in every district and taluk level, which will be helpful in tackling the third wave as such.
In the hospital, you have to accommodate parents also, mother or father, because below 5 years children, they need a very important mother or father. So that's why we are accommodating the father and our mother for treatment.
According to the research of the American Academy of Pediatrics, for every 1 lakh children, 5,000 are testing positive in the US. The BBMP says if the same is extrapolated to Karnataka, which has 1.88 crore population up to 18 years, then 9,43,566 could get infected. The civic body says it is predicted that 2% of the positive children are expected to require hospitalization, which would add to 18,871.
When number of cases again rise in the third wave, that will become an issue in which our doctors need to be trained. Eminent pediatricians, pulmonologists and other specialist doctors would be speaking to a set of our doctors who are working in the primary health centers.
Experts have so far maintained there is no scientific evidence so far that a new wave will hit children in particular. The BBMP is not taking chances. It is better to be safe than be sorry. With Nagarjun Dwarkanath in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.